Look at this stuff. Isn't it neat? Do you think this collection complete? Do you think I'm the girl who has everything? Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Roche, aka beautymagz. In today's video, what I'll be doing is another affordable G-strings collections, you guys. It's a sexy lingerie haul and it's all about see-through G-strings, thongs, embroidery, some kind of that sort. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. So you guys, are you ready for our panty haul for today? It's about sexy lingerie, you know, see-through underwear haul. Then yeah, let's do this, you guys. Alright, so yeah, my background here is by the stairs. Enough lighting here, right? It's nice. And simple makeup lang kasi vlog style tayo ngayon. Yeah, kasi nagpamadali tayo, no? Kasi naghahanap ng ating boss ng mai-upload. Anyway, I have two lingeries here. So, I have colorful and of course, I have another one that is very common to my channel. Alright, so let's dig into the first lingerie. Let's do... Oy, hala! Hala, hala! Look at my lighting! Diba na-blow up ang aking face? Anyway, you guys, let's dig into the first lingerie. Ready? Shooting! Ooh, it's turquoise. Yes. Blue-green. Right. G-strings, you guys. Look at that. Very, very sexy, you guys. Just like I said in my previous video, I'm gonna throw out some colors from now on. So let's make this channel a little bit more colorful, right? Not just whites and blacks, but also colorful lingerie, right? So like this one. Diva turquoise. Let's take this tag. And also, this is from Shopee. You know, I'm doing another online shopping. It's very convenient, budget friendly, and of course affordable. The price for this is around 55 to 65 or 69, I believe. Look at my lighting. Nawawash out na naman ako. Anyway, kayo nang bahala. Anyway, you guys, so ito na po ang ating panty. So this is our panty for today. Look at that. It's a string, you guys. And look at here. Ooh, diba? See-through. Pa-embroidery siya. Lace type, no? Diba maganda siya? Diba? Ano siya? Ano to? Pang single panty. Diba? Very, very sexy, you guys. If you have the body for it, go for it, wear it, you know, show it to the world that you are single and able. Diba? Oh, diba? It has a bow. Look at that. And in the back side, you see, guys. Ooh, diba? Very sexy. Woohoo! Lubot pa lang na. And you can say, ooh, lala. So pretty, diba? I do like this one. This is amazing. And look at the back embroidery, diba? Lace embroidery type. So cute, you guys. Right? I certainly like this one. Wow, amazing. Sexy lingerie, affordable, budget friendly, cheap, material is durable. Yes, doesn't look like cheap material. It looks high-end to me. Yes, I can show you the world. Alright, so that's our first lingerie. Now for our next underwear haul. It's going to be my favorite color, of course. And what is it? Yes, that is black. Alright guys, let's open this bad boy right here. Is it G-strings? Thong? See-through? See-through. It's not G-string. See-through though. Look at that. Right? Let's take this tag off. Right, let's see here. Oh, you guys. Wow, this one looks like high-end. Oh, wow, this is pretty. And you know the material. This is really nice, guys. I like it. The material is so nice. My lighting is crazy right now. Look at that. See? Wow, so pretty. It's thong. Okay. All right, wait. Wait. It's a thong. See? Wow, very, very nice, you guys. And you know, it's lace as well. Look at that. Yes, see-through. Yes. Right, right. Part of this world. What would I give to spend my day out of this panty? Part of your world. Look at this stuff. Isn't it neat? Do you think this collection complete? Do you think I'm the girl who has everything? Di ba, Little Mermaid na tayo ngayon? Part of this world. I like it. I like it. Do you like it? Yes, you should. And for those who wants me to try on, sorry talaga. Hindi talaga kaya sa power ng lola nyo. Sorry, and it's not clickbait. This is about haul. Okay? Okay? Huwag kayong mainis. Haul lang naman to. Alright? Okay, guys. This is it. So this is my panty haul for today. I hope you like this underwear haul of mine. All women's sexy lingerie haul. I hope you like it, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.